That's right. The destroyer of worlds, baby. The rest of the YouTubers out there, they just fear. They fear the idea of Patrick Wieland going live because they're like, oh God, what is he gonna do today? What is he gonna talk about today? I'd be afraid too if I was them. I'd fucking wake up in the morning and be like, oh God, just praying and hoping that Patrick doesn't point his fucking laser at them, you know? Dude, make money and don't worry about the small cost. What cost? How much we talking about? Nasdaq right now, right below the VWAP. You know what's funny is I feel like pretty much every open this week, I don't know. I feel like we've been right there at the VWAP. Is that just me, or has anyone else noticed that? Anybody this week? I feel like it's just been every morning we've been opening up right where the VWAP's at. Will the bulls come into play? You can see right now, looking at the LuxAlgo price action concepts here. What do we got? Well, we got this kind of channel going right now. We've got this high there from Friday, previous week high, 22,000. We got a pivot point to the upside there. We got a pivot point to the downside. We closed, what did we close at yesterday? Right here? Wait. Yeah, we closed. Yeah, we're right where we closed at. So we closed right here, 21,760s. And getting ready. Another day, another dollar. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care, you know what I mean? But put your hands in like, just let me know. Hulk needs to make $1,000 to pass the 300K count. Ooh, buddy. Don't put too much pressure on yourself now, you know? Hey, you're already up, what, 19,000? So, is this a reverse cup and handle? Kind of like a I don't know. Inverse cup and handle, like kind of weird looking. I feel like maybe this is the cup and handle. Right there at the VWAP, baby. 775 VWAP now. Good morning. Bread Dad, do you no longer trade with Apex? You're new to the stream? When's the last time you watched the stream? When's the last I feel like you haven't watched them in a hot minute. You come in here and you ask these questions. You come and ask these questions. I feel like, you know, these are questions that just don't need to be asked because we already know that we winning. Every prop firm out there, baby, getting them payouts. So, that's right. If you're wondering, for my boy, what was it, Breb. I just took a $40,000 payout with Apex on February 3rd. So that's what we did. Look at the Nasdaq right now. Just kind of ES and the Nasdaq. ES pulled back here into the VWAP. Nasdaq back up to the VWAP. Oh, buddy. Like I said, VWAP, man. It's I don't know why, but has anybody else noticed that this week we've literally started every move off the VWAP? Coincidence? I think not. Looking at the Nasdaq here, you can see, is this a cup and handle type move? We get above that 780 area here at open. You got the previous day high up there. It's not that far away. The overnight high here, London high, right? 830 area. Like, I mean, we're only 60 points away from that. I watched an old video of you yesterday when you lost it, and you lost big. I didn't even lose big. I took profit on that trade. That's why I don't like the fucking morons. Like, if you actually look, I was short and I covered when the market was dropping, but I covered early and I didn't really freak out. I was just live on YouTube. People need to understand that, like, you know, I play the part, you know, I get the views. That video is like literally 6 years old and people are still posting it, acting like they're like, oh, look at Patrick Wieland, he's such a fucking loser. Look at him. Like, yeah, bro, come at me. It's a video from literally 6 years ago. All right, Nasdaq sitting there at the VWAP. Most YouTubers don't even have videos of them from 6 years ago because they ain't been on YouTube for 6 years. I can't help it. I've been here forever. I'm the goddamn OG. I created this space. I'm the man, the myth, the legend. And this is the video that I'm talking about. It's such an old video. Like, I was trading small caps, but you can see, like, I covered a short right there. Like, I was literally short and I covered for profit. It wasn't even a losing trade. I just was pissed because it kept going lower. Look, it literally just keeps going lower and lower. Then it got halted. And that's why I was pissed. And then I just, you know, was giving people content. But it's funny because, like, my haters still will post this and be like, look at him, he blew up his account. But they don't understand, I was literally fucking short and I covered and it kept going lower. Oh my God, Patrick, what an idiot. He's such a loser. Hey, if they're not making videos about you, then are you even relevant? You know, that's what you gotta wonder. You know, that's the way I look at it. I'm like, hey, if all the little people that are smaller than me, if they're not making videos about me, then am I even on number one? You know, am I even number one if my haters aren't making videos about me? You know? My wife hated this version. Then I showed her liquidated. Now she loves me. Well, it's a problem. Crypto calls, day 5, asking what the BDH means. You've spent 5 days asking? You need to practice mindfulness. Yeah, I do. Go fuck yourself. Take your mindfulness and shove it up your fucking ass. There you go. God, real quick way to get out of this chat. Tell me to fucking practice mindfulness. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Hey, Patrick, you need to practice mindfulness. Okay, go fuck yourself. The fuck? The BDH is very simple. It stands for Big Dick House. I don't really know why people keep asking. I've talked about it enough. I feel like I've made it very clear what it stands for. Big Dick House. So, that's it. Speak about your risk reward on prop firms. I don't know, make money, fucking blow them up, fucking do it again. I don't like, what do you mean risk reward? You fucking get paid and then you fucking get it, you know, like fucking go, baby. What do you need to, what's risk reward? Just fucking make money. You pay fucking $100 for an account, you get a $10,000 payout, and then you fucking do it again. You know, it ain't fucking rocket science. What's the risk to reward? Yeah, just fucking get paid, baby. That's all you gotta do. Just get fucking paid. You know, no questions. Just do it. That's all. Patrick, is there any way to disable the order confirmations on the DayTrader platform? I believe so. The customer service is really good at daytraders.com. If you want to message them, they'll probably hook you up and get you set up there. This is not a customer service live stream. And by the way, people think that I own DayTraders.com. I do not own DayTraders.com. I am not an employee. It's not my prop firm or anything like that. So I don't know why everybody keeps coming at me. Did the deal for Apex change? Yes, it's no longer 80% off. Crack me up how you had Nutty Bar eating his chops and becoming friends with someone that tried to drag through the mud. Hey, you know, haters gonna hate. And then when they finally see, they're like, it's better to be my friend than to be my hater. You know, because I'm like the goddamn fucking rising tide. You can't stop it. You can hate it. You can say, God damn it, the ocean is rising, and you can try to fucking build a wall. But the tide is gonna rise, baby. I am unstoppable. I am undeniable. I am undefeatable. I am going to the top. What is my bias today? Well, pretty much like this. So pretty much if you look at the chart right now, you can see 22,100 and then 22,000, like 450 area. That's kind of my bias. Right now the ES is pushing up though. ES is pushing up. People think that I have like a exact bias every day. I don't really care if the market goes up or if it goes down. I'm just looking for possible scenarios where I can make money. You know, all I need is 20 points. You know, 20 points. That's all I need. I don't need a big, massive move. I don't need to make $1 billion. Just give me 20 points. I'm in, I'm out, and then I'm off to do whatever the fuck I'm gonna do, you know? Just a little update for everybody in the chat who loves to see my P&L. Well, here you go. Right now, with Tradeify, we are up $124,000 in 18 days of trading. That's right. We have not had one red day in these accounts. One thing that I do want to point out, people are like, but Patrick, you only made $120,000 in 18 days. By the way, let me point this out for all the fucking retards out there. Number one, there is a consistency rule with Tradeify. So if I make $10,000 in one day, it's not good, because then if I want to get a fucking payout, I can only get a $3,000 payout per account every 10 days. So there's no fucking point in me making $10,000 a day, because all that's going to do is now make my consistency target way fucking higher for no reason, and I'm not going to benefit at all. So all I'm trying to do is get payouts. I'm not trying to make $1 million in these prop firm accounts, because it don't even fucking matter, because again, I just want to get paid out. I want to get another 15. I'm 2 days away from another $15,000 payout. I've got great cushion here. But again, people that are like, Patrick, you're such a fucking, I thought you're the best trader ever. Why did you only make 128,000? Why did you make only 124,000? Because the rules, like, do people not understand the rules? Here's my trades. January, I started trading with Tradeify. January 10th. This is all my profit. This is all live. This is not bullshit. It's not Photoshop. It's not some fucking random broker bullshit. This is all here. You can see it's all real. What do you want from me? Right now, we're batting about 72% win-loss ratio. You know, that's where I want to be at. I want to be at that 70 to 80% win-loss ratio. Can I do it better? Yeah, I think I can. Like, I think I can get it a little bit higher. But the key here is look at my fucking P&L curve. Look at my drawdown. No drawdown. I've had zero drawdown. It has just been going up, up, up. Great cushion, horrible personality. Yeah, okay. Great. Hey, just remember that you came here, right? You came to my live stream this morning. I didn't go to your house. I didn't fucking call you, you fucking loser. Think about that. Like, you woke up this morning and you chose to watch me on YouTube. So who's really winning? Clearly not you. All right. And now that we got that out of the way, January, February, green. Haters gonna hate. They're gonna be like, Patrick, you never show your red days. I'm like, well, I mean, if I had a red day, I would show you. Am I gonna have a red day at some point? Fuck yeah, it's gonna happen. But right now, there ain't nothing to fucking show you that's red. It's green, green, green. You know? Can you show us what you're looking for when scalping? You can buy the course for $199, and it makes it real easy. You'll know exactly what I'm looking for. People be like, people would literally rather just like, I don't know. People they'll spend fucking $100 at Starbucks every morning, no problem. Like, oh yeah, I went and got my mocha frappuccino. I bought a fucking croissant. I paid $25 for my Starbucks, but no way. There is no way in hell I'm paying $199 for the Patrick Wieland course. No fucking way. That is a ripoff. But I did pay $300 for a new pair of Nikes. You know, like, stop fucking, like, I just love when people complain about, like, Patrick, you sell at $190, it's fucking $200, people. People are trying to make thousands of dollars trading, but they're gonna cry about a $200 fucking course. It's mind-blowing. That's literally the most broke fucking mentality I've ever heard in my entire life. Like, imagine, Patrick, I really want to make thousands of dollars, but I don't think your course is worth it. I'm not gonna buy it. It's a ripoff. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Like, okay. You got me. You really got me. Right now, Nasdaq watching right here at the VWAP now. VWAP, that yellow line. We got the previous day high, the overnight high. We are stuck at the previous day high overnight. What does that mean? Does that make this level even more suspect to getting taken out? Kind of. I feel like it does. Double top here overnight. We've got the previous day high there as well. We are right where we closed at yesterday. We're right here at the VWAP. If the bulls come in here, I mean, it would just be a pretty easy target right to that overnight high. Now, obviously, we could go lower here. I mean, that's trading, right? It can go up, it can go down, but if I'm looking for a long here, I'm looking for this to move up, I think that 830 level is prime target. Now, does that mean we're gonna go straight up? No. We could, you know, pull back, chop around some more. You saw yesterday, like, look at yesterday's move. This is until 11 o'clock. Chop, 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 chop. 11 o'clock, we finally break out, and look at this move. From the 600s up there to the 725s, it never even pulled back at that point. It just went higher. So, again, let the chop do what it's gonna do. Let it chop, chop, choppity chop, and then make the fucking money. But look at that thing. Oh my God. What a move. So, like, pretty much chop, chop, chop in the morning. And then we broke through the high, and we never pulled back. We never looked back. We were just do straight up. So, how many Tradeify accounts can you have? 5 accounts. 5 accounts with Tradeify. All right. You can kind of see here, we got like a little bit of a kind of a bear, like it's kind of like a bear flag setup could play out here. If we can't hold up here at the 740s, well, then we got that low from earlier, the 7 a.m. It was like 7 a.m. We got a low from this morning down there at the 700 level. We got a pivot point down there, 664, 62s. And again, like we said earlier, I don't care if the market goes up. I don't care if it goes down. I don't really give a fuck either way. I don't need to predict what's going to happen. I need to be ready when I see my setup. I take the trade, I make the money, and then I just laugh all the way to the bank, right? Don't have a buy. I don't care. Like, I don't want to be bullish. I don't want to be bearish. I just want to wait for some type of setup, a flag, a bull flag, a bear flag, whatever it is. I want to see that opportunity where I can get 30 points, 20 points, very simply. Like, I just want to be able to get in, press a button, and then get right out. So I'm waiting for that setup, that momentum, that spot where I can basically be like, hey, this is where I want to get in. I'm going to take my 20 points, and then I'm going to wait for the next setup. We don't need to figure out, like, oh my God, is the market going to go all the way up to, which way is it going to go? I don't really care. Just trade it. Just trade it. How many points is your stop loss? I don't know, man. I just hey, don't worry about me. I want you all to worry about you, right? I want you to worry about what your stop loss is. I want you to worry about what your profit target is. Because what does it matter what my stop loss is? You know what? Is that gonna make? If I tell you that my stop loss is 20 points, does that mean you're only gonna ever have 20 point stop loss? You know, if I tell you that I trade with 10 contracts, are you gonna trade with 10 contracts? If I tell you that I'm looking for 100 points, are you gonna wait for 100 points? You know, like, it don't matter. Every day, people in the chat, Patrick, what's your stop loss? Patrick, what's your profit target? Patrick, how much money do you make? Patrick, why do you not do this? Patrick. People are trying to learn from you, but again, you're not learning. My stop loss has nothing to do with your fucking stop loss. If I tell you that my stop loss is 20 points, I guarantee it that you're still gonna fucking lose money. That when it hits your 20 point stop loss, I guarantee it that you're not gonna fucking stop out. I guarantee you're gonna blow your fucking account because you have no idea how to manage the actual risk. You have to figure it out, people. I cannot do it for you. If it was that, think about it, right? If it was that easy, if all people had to do was go on the internet and just copy some fucking moron, right? If all you had to do was just go on YouTube and just watch somebody trade every day and make $1 million, would everybody not be fucking rich? Think about that. And every day I get the same fucking questions. Patrick, why do you not tell me when to buy and sell? Patrick, why can't I see? Why don't I, you know, like, I don't understand why every day it's the same fucking questions. Guys, I want you to figure out, you got to figure out your own style of trading, right? Everyone's a little different. Some people trade micros. Some people trade 10 contracts. Some people trade 1 contract. Some people trade the Nasdaq. Some people trade the ES. But like every day it's the same fucking shit. Like, Patrick, what? I can't understand. What? Just trade. This guy bullies us every day. I think Yaqueen needs to go be a Yaqueen somewhere else. Patrick, the chat was you. I was never the chat. What are you talking about? Oh, God. I never went on YouTube and sat in the chat asking questions. Never. In my entire life. I never did that, ever. People are gonna be so upset. People are gonna get all butthurt because I'm telling the fucking truth here. They want to be spoon-fed. They want to go to Top Step TV and be like, guys, it doesn't matter if you lose as long as you're positive in life. You know, it's not about winning. It's about being positive. If you're not positive, then what's the, you know, I'm like, fuck being positive. I want to make money. I'm not here to make fucking friends. I don't want to fucking sing Kumbaya with you motherfuckers. I want to make money. God, I can't. But honestly, my stop loss most of the time, like, is around 20 points. Like, I have a 1-to-1 risk reward. That's how I trade. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. Like, go trade however. I think I want to make one thing very clear. What works for me, how I trade, it might not work for you. It might not work for 1,000 people, for 1,000,000 people. It might not work for anybody. And that's just the truth of it. If I sat here and I told you guys, just wait for me to tell you exactly when to buy and sell, and you're going to make millions of dollars, well, then you would just be lying to yourself. You'd be wasting your time, right? You'd just be wasting your fucking time. Right now, the Nasdaq's sitting here at a key level. Why is it a key level, Patrick? Well, this dotted line right there, that is where we closed yesterday. The market closed there yesterday overnight. We had some push. Kind of like held that level, the close, the push all the way up there to the 832s. And well, you can kind of see on the hourly chart where we're at in this bigger picture of things. Are we setting up for a pullback here? Could we pull back to Monday's high, 21,600? Are we going to base here? Is this the level? You know, right now, look at the ES. ES is looking a little bit more bullish. ES is a little bit more bullish right now. What does that mean? Well, I think we can, like I said a million times, if the ES is bulling out, well, expect the Nasdaq to follow. Sometimes there's a little bit of disconnect, but as long as the ES is going higher, I would not be looking for shorts on the Nasdaq. Right? Right. Patrick, why do you not use NinjaTrader? Mateus, what did I just fucking have a whole conversation about? Why did we just had a whole conversation about this? We literally just had a whole conversation about this shit. Patrick, so I'm just wondering, why is it that you don't use NinjaTrader? Patrick, in August of last year, you said you'd never get a trading office like TBM. You also said you'd never start a prop firm. Well, I never started a prop firm, and I don't exactly remember that, but I don't know what that is. Yeah. I started the BDH because I needed a place to park my cars at, you know? I need a room to park my cars. I wouldn't really call it a trading office. I'd call it a place for Patrick Wieland to just do where the fuck he wants every day. So there you go. I love that people like have followed me, follow my life that closely. People be like, Patrick, 3 years ago, Patrick, you said that you would never trade with a curved monitor. And I see that you now have a 55-inch curved monitor.
Weeks off after blowing up to practice some patience. Any other recommendations before reinvesting?
Oh God, Tim Bible. Any recommendations? I don't know, man. Just fucking trade small, trade the micros, trade small, do it consistently for a while, you know? I don't have like all the, I wish I had all the answers for you, but honestly, Tim, just size down, you know? I think you're trying to get those big profits too quick. Size down, be happy that $100 a day. Nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong with walking away up $10, $20, $30, $100 on the day when you're just starting out or you're just going through it, right? If you're just going through it, sometimes it's good to go back to the basics, to go back to that goal of just making $100 a day. There ain't nothing wrong with it, you know? There ain't nothing wrong with it. All right, look at the ES right now, by the way. Again, check out the ES here. ES is going straight up. It's already pushing through the overnight high here, 6,100 level. After that, you've got a pivot point up there at the 112s. Oh, I don't, what is this? Nom 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 nom. Creatine, baby. Gotta get my brain primed up here. Primed up. Nasdaq, ES. I mean, like I said, the fact that the ES is already kind of pushing up here leads me to believe that, well, the Nasdaq will follow, you know, showing some good strength here right now. So we just gotta have to see. Oh. Whoa. Got too much creed. Oh, num num num. Num 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 num. All right. We got that VWAP to get through. We got to get through the VWAP here on the Nasdaq. The VWAP, obviously, the VWAP turns into resistance. That's obviously not good. So let's get through this 780 area. We get through the 780s here at open. We should go right to this 830 level there next. So look how tight this thing's getting right now. It's getting real tight. Real fucking tight here, boys. Real tight. It's getting real tight. Real fucking tight, boys. Someone said maybe they'll dip it down here to the 740s at open. get some liquidity, and then take it higher. I like it. A little bit of a fake out to the downside, trap some bulls, and then squeeze it higher. Kind of a textbook Nasdaq type of play. You know, Nasdaq loves to do that type of shit where it'll dip below like a recent low and then just pop straight back up just to take out the stops down there, sucker in some more bears. What up, everybody in the chat? Good morning. If you're just now tuning in, hit that like button, subscribe button. We are live. We're doing it every morning from the BDH. Right now, right here. That's right. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. We got about 9 minutes here. 9 minutes till market opens. 9 minutes. And by the way, there's no ads on the stream, so help me help you. Blow up that like button, and I'll return the favor. We got giveaways today, by the way. If you want to sign up for a Take Profit account, we got 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. You got to be here to win it, by the way. You can't, don't watch for 5 minutes and then get out of here. You got to watch bell to bell. Just kidding. I would never trade bell to bell. That sounds like a terrible idea. Why would anybody ever want to trade bell to bell? And why would anybody want to watch some idiot on the YouTube for bell to bell? Don't do that. I do not want to be a part of that club. I want to be a part of the club that just fucking makes money and then gets the fuck out. You know what I mean? It's just like, get in, get out, baby. Fuck that bell to bell shit. I want to make that easy money. Do you typically wait or trade in the first 15 minutes? Oh, I'm going to trade. Like I said, if we get above that kind of 780 area, get above the VWAP here, I'll be looking for some longs. Looking for some longy dongies. The ES showing strength here as well. ES is already pushing through the overnight high. We got a pivot point there. Pivot point on the ES at the 6,112s. We got 7 minutes till market opens. 7 minutes. We're real tight here. Real tight on the fucking Nasdaq right now. Right below the VWAP here. Tight, tight, tight. Consolidation here at this level. This is where we closed at yesterday as well. We closed right here at the 760 level. So, that's a key level. Key level. Key level here, boys. Key fucking level. And I key level. It's a goddamn key level. It's goddamn key level, boys. ES. I like that the ES is kind of already broken out here as well through the overnight high. That would make me think that, maybe the Nasdaq wants to break through the overnight high. Is it rocket science? I don't know, maybe, but that's kind of how I'm looking at it right now. ES is going straight up. Nasdaq's sitting right here at the VWAP. We get through the VWAP here. We push 7080s up there to the 800s. Ding, 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 ding to the moon. We got less than, 6 minutes here till market opens. Someone said no news today, so we're going down. Damn. That's all you have to do is just look at the news and you figure out if it's going up or down? God damn. I've been doing it so wrong. Been doing it so wrong for so long. I got to figure this shit at trading stuff out. It's amazing that the chat is always just dropping so much knowledge on me. That's really the reason that I have the live stream, is so that I can learn how to trade. People think that I'm here, just to,
Don't tell people when to buy or sell. Doing that would just be a disservice. Making mistakes is the ultimate. Amen, brother. See, look at that. Real recognize real. F1OW. What are your VWAP settings at? Oh, well, I'd tell you, but then I'd have to kill you. No, just kidding. That's my VWAP settings. I don't change any settings. People always ask me this, but I swear to God, I do not change any settings when it comes to the VWAP, when it comes to anything that I use. Other than like the price action concepts, I kind of set it up just for what I want. But in general, nothing out of the norm here. Nothing too crazy, I guess you could say. So we're getting ready. Market open, baby. Another day, another dollar. We want to make some money. Get rich, get quick. Get quick rich. Get rich quick. Quick rich. We're going to get quick rich today. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. That's right.
It's time. How to live. I wish I knew how to trade. All right, we got 4 minutes here. 4 minutes till market opens. Right now, Nasdaq trying to push here above the VWAP. We're clearing out the VWAP here. Maybe get a little, like, maybe if we dip down to that 760 open, you know, like right at open, like dip into there and get a little nice reaction off there. And then try to squeeze. Let these bears know who's daddy. Let them bears know who the daddy is. It's me. But yeah, 760 area I think will be the key level pretty much here at open. If we can't hold 760s, well then we might dip down here a little further, right? Right now we're above the VWAP. We obviously want to, now that we've broken above the VWAP, we want to keep that VWAP alive, the support there. And then you got like this 82 level to kind of take out, and then after that, up there into the 800s. 800s. Do you use market order or limit order? I just market order. There's enough liquidity in the market. You don't really need to do a limit order. But again, it really comes down to how you trade, your personal style. You know, trade how you want, not how I like to trade. Do what makes sense to you. If that makes sense, do what makes sense to you, not what makes sense to Patrick. If you want to make money, don't copy some fucking guy on the internet. That's probably my best advice I could ever give anybody who ever lived. Is if you want to get rich, don't copy some guy on the internet, whatever it is. Just do, you know, like do your own thing. You got to build it. Because you got to own it. You got to love it. You got to believe it. You got to like trust in it. That's the biggest thing, right? A lot of traders, they end up having FOMO, or they end up having, you know, analysis paralysis. That's because they haven't actually put in the time and the effort. They haven't put in the work, right? They just been handed, maybe they've watched a YouTuber a few times and they're like, okay, I'll just buy when Patrick says to buy. But then it's like you don't have that mental fortitude to be able to like get out of the trade, to take profit, you know, to get in the trade. A lot of times there's a reason that a lot of people will end up FOMOing into the top after the bull flag, you know, like people love to do that. We got less than a minute here till market opens. Less than a minute now. Right there at the VWAP here. We got that 760 area, key level 760s. The ES already pushed above the overnight high. Nasdaq kind of lagging right now, but we'll see how she rides. We got 30 seconds. Trump speaking. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, fuck. Oh, fuck, shit. Just kidding. But maybe. 20 seconds. $20 seconds until we get to figure out if we're going to be rich or if we're going to be poor today. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Little pop up there above the 80s just to get those stops for now. Trying to hold up here. Like I said, that 760 kind of needs to hold here. Already dipping into that 760 level. This would be the reaction level that we want to kind of get that bounce. You got to bounce right away, or we're going to dip down there into the 740s probably. Still dipping straight down here. We got the VWAP coming up on the ES down at like the 97s. All right, looks like they want to possibly take out this 740 area, that low right there. Let's see.
See that 740 area bounces it back up here. Right now, straight down here. Straight down sell candle at open. Woo! Dipping. See if these buyers are going to come in. I can't get short just because we're going straight down right now. You know, it's like you got to wait for something to happen here. There's that 740 level now. Straight down to the 740s here. This would be like where the bulls have to step in if they're going to save this thing. They'd have to step it in right here at the 50s. You got to step it in there. There's that 740 bounce. All right, so right now I would just, if you're looking for a long, I would just wait. Basically, let's get back above the VWAP here. I'm still not like overly bearish. Just kind of watching here. Patience, my friends, patience. The ES pulled right back into the VWAP for now. ES already took out the overnight high. So just kind of watching here. If you go and you get short on the first fucking drop of the first red candle of the morning, that is could really be a bad setup there in terms of just stopping you out really quickly. Well, 40s, there's 20 points right back up now, 760s again. Just love to see it. Just absolutely love it. Just we love it, you know. It's a lot of fun to see. Look at that, 740 bouncing, baby. Right back up to 760s now. Again, that key level, right? Key level there at the 760s. Still patient, still just waiting, still watching, no rush. I'm not here to get rich quick. I'm here to make money consistently. I'm here to show up every day. I'm here to make money, right? Money consistently. This is a business. It's a goddamn business, boys. VWAP coming up here, 772s. Wow. See, sometimes I'm like, I wish I would have listened to myself and gotten long down there at the 740s, but hey, you know, kind of is what it is sometimes. We got 4.7 thousand viewers right now. Let's break 5,000. Come on, let's show the internet who's the #1 day trader on YouTube. If you're just now tuning in, blow up that like button. We'll give away. How about this? If we break above 5,000, I'll give away $1,000 cash to $500 to 2 different people. So just keep watching. Do it with me. 5,000 gets 1,000 for the chat. 5,000 views gets you $1,000, chat. And we're also, I'll give away, check this out. We got 10 courses. We got 2 take profit trader accounts. We got $1,000 cash. $1,000 cash. So just keep on watching. Let's see if we can do it today through the 5,000s. Is it possible? All right, Nasdaq just kind of, I feel like we're going to go straight up here, but just being patient. We're stuck right below the VWAP now. We got to get through like this little, like this area right here just looks like it's got to get taken out, right? Like wick. It's almost like too perfect. It's almost too perfect. Oh God, look, it's literally, it's going straight up there now. It's just too perfect. Tell me that 780 doesn't want it. Tell me that 780 area is not going to get taken out, and I will fucking tell you that you're crazy. Tell me that ain't going to happen. Uh-oh. JK. Little scissor. We need that 2 minute. This 2 minute candle just opened, so give it a little bit of time here. You get two little little tweezers here. Don't want those tweezers. Get out of there, tweezers. We want this buy to go straight through the 80s next. The VWAP right now is right there at 772. Got to get above the VWAP here, boys. I don't know. Take it. Get me through that yellow line. 780s. Do it, you little bitch. Ooh. Nasdaq ES pulling back here. ES is pulling back a little bit more than the Nasdaq now. They really they stopped it perfectly. 777. Stuck right there now. Nasdaq bouncing here at that close from yesterday. Key level, like we said earlier, that 760 area. Obviously key level. Will the bulls push? Uh-oh. Stuck at the VWAP for now. ES is also pulling back. ES pulling back. Trouble. ES right at the VWAP now. Nasdaq right there at the VWAP as well. Break out of this range, and then after that 830 to the upside. So let's get that push through the 780s, and then should be like ding, ding, ding. But right now it's like ding, ding, possibly ding. Ruh-roh. Trump's talking, someone's talking. I'm looking for this breakout through that 780 level. Get that breakout through 780s and then ride that train right up there into the 800s, baby. She's primed and ready here. She's priming up. Right there at the VWAP. Come on. Give me that breakout here. Daddy wants to get in. Just need these candles to get taken out. 80 area. Just take out that 80 area, and then let me take up to the overnight high. Right now, stuck at the VWAP again. Now you can see why we're waiting for that break through the VWAP here. ES is really kind of holding us down right now. ES is dipping down pretty hard. Ruh-roh. ES is dipping back there to the VWAP right now. Need that ES to kind of push back up here. Come on, ES. What you gonna do? ES is making new lows right now. Nasdaq's just chopping here, pretty much like at the opening range area. I think if the ES can start to push back up, Nasdaq will break out to the upside. So watching the ES here, I've got the ES pulled up. This is a 2 minute chart on the ES right now. Go to the 5 minute chart. We just kind of took out this little low there on the ES now, but we're like right below the VWAP there. Trouble. ES could pull back to fill that gap down there, 86s from yesterday's close, but we need this continuation to push up here. Getting some good consolidation here. We got something coming up. There's a big move coming. Big move coming. Big move coming here. Almost 5,000 viewers. If you're just now tuning in for the first time ever, welcome to the BDH, baby. You know how we do it. We do it big, big, big. Nasdaq again, attacking. Wick. This thing's got to go. It wants to go. Take out that 780s. Take me into the 800s. Again, tapping into that VWAP. Look at that wick. You know this, like, this is setting up
that if we do break out through the 80s, it's a fucking just massive boner candle to the upside there. That's a lot of pressure trying to hold this down right now. This thing is fucking primed. It is ready. It wants to go. Can she do it? Can you take me higher? All right, she's pushing again. Look at that. Wick. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me that 780 break. Watch it for that 780 long here above the 780s. See if we get it. ES is kind of just holding on. Nasdaq's stuck here. If we keep getting denied, obviously not good for the bulls. They got to break the wall of China here. It's a wall of China. Very small 15-minute range here as well. Right there, yesterday's close there at the 760s for now. Man. We are 25 people away from 5,000 concurrent viewers. Did we break 5,000 yet? We're so close. Take a picture when it happens. Take a picture when it happens. We got 2 minutes here till this 15-minute candle closes. Then we're going to have our 15-minute opening range. Very kind of, what is that? 40, 778. There it is. 5,000 people. 5,001. 5,000. 5,000 people watching me live on YouTube. In the BDH. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. Let's fucking look at that. Fucking monitor's huge. All right, Nasdaq still watching. Once we get let's get this thing, something to happen here, then we'll do the giveaways. But right now, let's focus on this setup. This thing is just literally sitting there at yesterday's close, 760s for now. Right below the VWAP, stuck below the VWAP. We just can't get through there for now. Wick. Is it a trap? Is it a trap? Hard to say. I'm watching for 780 longs, above 780, trying to get long for this push straight up to the 800s. Would be my target here. In love. All right, pushing 75s right now. Pushing 75s again. Let's get through the 780s here, baby. The bulls want to go. Boner candles are coming. There we go, through the 80s now. Need to go straight to the fucking moon. Straight to the moon. I only want my cheese. I want my moon cheese. If it ain't moon cheese, I don't want it. Give me that fucking dried cheese. Dried cheese. Dried cheese. All right. There you go. Did I just make everybody money? Chat, is everybody rich in the chat right now? Let me know. Let me know, chat. Are you rich? Are you rich? Is the chat rich? Or is it just me? Is it only me or is it everybody? Oh my God, it's still going. Are we not the number one? Am I not the number one day trader on fucking YouTube? Look at that. Everybody's fucking making money. Why would you watch any other fucking moron? Obviously, I'm a moron, but I'm like a profitable moron. Look at this thing. We got in long, above the 780s. We locked in the fucking profit, boys and girls. That's how we do it. That's how we fucking do it. That's how we do it. What made me think it was a long? Because I'm a fucking genius.
Honestly, if you look, why does it look like a long? This right here. Look, it's still going. Our target, like we said, up there, the previous day high, 825. It's still going, by the way. Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit, fuck. No, fucking shit, fuck. Baby Jesus. Still going. All right. All day, all night. All day, all night.
HULKK, baby.
Hey, Hulk. Did you make your $1,000 to pass the 300K account? So we need some applause up in this bitch. God. And yes, I took the trade. Just staying consistent in these Apex accounts from the 82s up there that I actually got. I was trailing it too tight and got stopped out right there. But we also took the longs and the other accounts there as well. Took the longs here on the take profit accounts, making the money in those. And baby, we are making the money today. That's how we do it, baby. Up there to the A10s now. We got some giveaways to come as well. Great call out. Hey, you know, undeniable. I am undeniably the #1 fucking day trader on YouTube. Who wants it? Who wants to come at me? I dare you. I dare you. If you're just now tuning in for the first time ever, I got to show you this. Check this baby out. 18 days of green. And guess what? Guess what? We're on 19, baby. 19 days of fucking green here. We cannot we just can't fucking lose. Like, it's amazing. Look at that shit. It just keeps going higher. My P&L, it just keeps going. There's just never been a pullback. Somebody gave my P&L Viagra, all right? And this thing is fucking it's just straight up fucking, it can't stop being hard. It just can't stop. Hey, also, what did we say? Did we say boner candle to the fucking right up into the 800s? Remember, if they ain't talking about you, that means that you ain't doing it good enough. You know, if people don't think that I'm not real, if people think that I'm a scam, if people think that I don't know how to trade, that means that I'm doing it so fucking good that they just cannot figure out how the fuck I'm doing it. Think about that. It's like fucking witchcraft to them. They see me making money and they're like, there's no way this is real. It's impossible. There's just no way. He's doing something. He's a scammer. There's no way that he's green for 18 days in a row. It's impossible. It's impossible because Top Step they're red every day, but they're profitable traders. Top Step is profitable. But how is it that Patrick is green? Tradeify is literally it's rigged. I don't know why, but I always feel like my haters are like really angry liberals. You know, like they're just mad. God, look at Patrick. Patrick, why did you Patrick? That's how I imagine my haters. They're all just sitting there. They're like, he keeps winning. I can't believe he keeps winning. It's not fair. It's rigged. He doesn't know how to trade. He doesn't even use ICT. How is it possible that he can even make money without using ICT? I don't understand. I don't understand. Does it say 40 trades because I'm copy trading? Yes, people. God. Guys, why the fuck does it matter how many trades I take anyway? Is it green or is it not green? The 40 trades is because it's 5 accounts. All right, God. Every day, somebody, oh, Patrick, why do you have 40 trades? Patrick, why do you have 15 trades? You took 15 trades? You took 15 trades?
right, for the giveaway, by the way, if you want to win, that's right, we got some stuff to do here. Nasdaq pulled back into the VWAP again. And hey, by the way, check this out. Check this out, everybody. There's your 15-minute opening range, right? Right there, literally at that 88 level. We're pushing up. Bam. That was kind of like right. What was that? Was that right at 9:45? That candle? That was a 9:45 candle. So wait. Hold on. Yeah. Wait. What? Isn't that weird? It broke out like right at the close, but now we're pulling back here into the opening range breakout. We're building a bull flag here, right? This is now looking for a push up there. The problem is, I don't know why the ES is like just kind of chopping around down there. Just chopping around there. Patrick, can you give me the money to buy 5 straight to funded accounts and you'll refund me after the first payout?
You are listening to.
I mean, I might look like a moron, you know, I might look like I'm fucking dumb. I might look like I'm poor and I have no idea how to, like, you know, but like that sounds like the worst investment I could ever make. And no offense to you, but that literally is like, you know what would be better? It would be better for me just to like take money and just light it on fire and watch it burn, because it would be more entertainment. You know, no offense to you, honestly, no offense. But I think it would be just more fun if we just lit $1 million on fire instead of giving it to you to trade with. Patrick, why did you stop using Bookmap? I stopped using Bookmap because it's too much. I don't need it. I don't need any more info than I already have. It's working, right? I don't need to fucking change anything up. I don't need to do anything. And the reason that I am now saying that, it's not that I hate Bookmap or anything. When I went to Hawaii and I was trading in Hawaii on my simple computer setup, that's when I really found like the most consistency. Because I got rid of a lot of shit. I got rid of Bookmap and I just focused on pure price action. And look at that right there. That's a textbook. Guys, this is a textbook Patrick Wieland fucking setup. If you haven't bought the course, I want you to go right now and buy the motherfucking course. It's $199. Because you're literally just hurting yourself by not having this simple shit. What do we do? Do it again. Where's my chat at? Where's the people who know? 15-minute opening range. We break out. The best part is, guess what? No FOMO needed. What do? We pulled back. We bounced into the VWAP. We have our little bull flag. You can look at the 1-minute chart here. The first candle, right? The first candle to make a new high. Which candle was that? Look. Okay, that candle, no. 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 This candle, oh my God. Long there for the 800s. Up there into the 20s now. Again, I'm not looking for 50-point moves. I'm not looking for 80-point moves. I'm not looking for 20, I'm looking for, give me 20 points. And if I can get 20 points every day, I can make more money than 99% of Americans. Think about that. If I just need 20 points a day. Give me 20 points a day and I can make more money than 99% of Americans. And the best part is, let's say I get into this trade and it starts pushing up and I get to like that. Sometimes, let's say I have like in my head that I'm thinking that I want to take a 20 point profit, whatever it is. Well, that's fine. I can like move my stop up, trail it, get my 20 points. But then there's going to be those days where the market is literally just going to go do, and it's going to give you 50 points. It's going to give you 40 points. So like, it's kind of like aim low. And then when it does just kind of go rip to the moon, that's when I get a bigger trade. But what's nice about aiming for 20 points is if I get my 20 points and then this happens, like, look, if I would have got long right here, let's just say I got long at, I don't know, 799. It pushes up. Okay. It pushes up. Okay. I got my 20 points. I take it. I take profit. Look what happens. Bam. Right? Does that mean it can't go higher? No. But it's just like aim low and miss small. Aim, what is this? Will they say aim small, miss small? Aim big, miss small. I don't know. It's one of those quotes. I don't know which one it is. Hey, look,
Step is down $200 on the day. Not bad. And Tim is currently, someone else is long. Awesome. I love yesterday. Literally, this is the funniest shit I've ever heard in my entire life. Dakota was sitting on Top Step TV talking about how Top Step TV has been green most of the days in 2025. Am I is there something wrong in my brain? Do I see does the minus sign equal a plus sign? Am I dyslexic? Is there anybody in the chat that actually believes that Top Step has been green most of 2025? Is there anybody? You know, what? Hey, listen. Just because we lose every day doesn't mean we're not green. Oh. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That's retarded math, basically. So look, guys, I know that I lost $8,000 yesterday, but don't worry. I'm up $100 today. So simply what that means is I'm green. You know? I'm green. When you think about it, I know that I lost $8,000 yesterday, but today, don't worry, I'm up $100. So that the math don't be mathin'. The math don't be fucking mathin' over there. I don't know what kind of math they use, but it ain't mathin'. Something ain't mathin' for me. I'm confused. I am fucking confused. They had a lot of green days in January. Did they? A lot? They lost $400,000 in 2024. Yes, that's right. The Top Step house account lost $400,000 in 2024. So you're going to tell me that now they're green in January? Hey, I guess if you lose $400,000 in 2024, but you're up $5,000 in 2025, that means you're green, right? That you're profitable. Right? That makes sense. New year, new me. Just write that $400,000 off as an expense. Start the new year green. You seem a little obsessed with Top Step TV. Oh, I am. I got a fucking rock hard boner for them, boys. My goal is to absolutely fucking destroy them. Take them into the dirt and just keep fucking pounding until there's nothing left. Until they're just beat meat. That sounds a little weird, but I mean, hey, they came at me first. So now it's time for big old Dick Daddy over here to put the knife in the fucking, put it in, get it done. Make sure everybody knows that if you come at Patrick Wieland, there is no good outcome. You will not win. You will not be victorious. You will just be destroyed. Remember Rips? Yeah, what happened to Rips? Where is he? He gone. I wonder why. Because he came at me. He came at me. Jack George up $1,500. Let's go, baby. Getting 5 points. Rocking it in. Where did Rips go? I don't know. Wherever the fuck scammers go. They go and live in the scam. And maybe he'll change his name again. That would be good. Change your name. Make a new identity online, No one will know. No one will know, right? No one will know. They'll never figure it out. Nobody will ever know. All you have to do is just change your name and then no one will ever know. No one will ever know. No one will ever know. Patrick, do you still use Top Step? No. Bring Danny Trades. Danny Trades is 3 feet tall. He's too small. And, he won't fit into the BDH. Everything's big around here. We got no midgets in here. You got to be at least fucking 5 feet tall to go to the BDH. I think Danny's 4'6" or something. And the only reason that he talks about me, the only reason that fucking Danny Trades talks about me is because he just wants to be me. And he wants attention from Daddy. All these people out there, all these YouTubers just want attention from Daddy. They all know who's number one. They just want attention. Just like Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar used to want attention from me. He got it, and then he found out that he didn't want it no more. So then he became a friend. Don't be an enemy. Don't be an enemy of Patrick Wieland. Be a friend of Patrick Wieland. It's a much better life. All right, Nasdaq just kind of holding up here, 791, going nowhere right now. Danny has the TS payout record.
Patrick Wieland has guys, you know what I love so much about the internet? Like, who the fuck cares? Hey, Day Trades has a TS record. You know what Day Trades did? Day Trades went long in 5 accounts before fucking news came out, and then he got lucky. Wow. Whoop-de fucking do. You know, like, who the fuck, what does that even mean? You know? Oh, hey, Patrick, I made so much money because I got long before the news came out. Like, okay, that doesn't make you a good trader. I like Nutty Bar, but like I said, Nutty Bar used to, you know, want to fight me and call me out and like talk shit about me, and then he found out like it's not a good plan. Like it's not a way to work, you know. It's better to be Patrick's friend than to be his, you know, enemy. All right, Nasdaq just absolutely chopping around here. This is a perfect area to not fuck around, because guess what? You fuck around, you're gonna find out. We're back into the 15-minute opening range. We had this fucking like disaster of a 15-minute candle. I think we got to go down now. Pretty big rejection up in that overnight high level.
Thank you for all you do.
Hey, Richard, $10. Let's go. Everyone's buying me Chipotle today. What are the giveaways? Yeah, we got some giveaways coming up. Let's do it. First giveaway, we're giving away 10 courses. I got the emails right here. I need 10 courses. Well, first off, we got 2 Take Profit Trader accounts that we're giving away. You need to have an account with Take Profit Trader to be able to get these free accounts, by the way, because I give them your email address and then they have to, like, you know, put it on there. So if you don't have an account with Take Profit Trader, go sign up at least. You don't need to buy an account, but just go sign up, and then you'll be able to trade that. So, but the winners. So here we go. Winners of the Take Profit Trader accounts. I'm gonna read them out. I've got your emails already. There's a link there. I don't think there's even a link there, is there? There's no link there. What the fuck? There's no link. Shit is broken. Shit is broken. I think my bot's broken too. Why is nothing working right now? Inactive. What the fuck's it mean inactive for? Activate. The fuck? I gotta find that. I need these fucking links, man. I got time for this shit. Why are the links at? Why are there no links on these fucking posts? God damn it. Fucking Chat GPT. I think Chat GPT fucked up my shit. There's no links. Chat GPT, what are you doing? God, hold on a second, people. I'm working on it. We got giveaways coming. We got money. We're giving it all. We got $1,000 for 2 people. Who wants it? All right, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'm working here. I'm fucking doing everything at once, people, okay? Stay with me. Nasdaq still just chop around here inside the 15-minute range. Like I said, we had that really good breakout. We got the 20 points. Nothing wrong with just sitting back, being patient, wait for the next setup. Right? If you want to fucking lose money, just go ahead and just donate it to me, because like I will spend it a lot better than you will. You know, I will spend that money mucho better than you. So just go ahead and just donate it. If you're looking to lose money, just donate the money to me. You know? Oh my God. Donate it to me and you're gonna win. That's right. All right, there's a link there, like I said, for Take Profit Trader. All right, the giveaways. Here we go for Take Profit Trader today. 2 accounts. All right, we got Jace Worley. Jace Worley. Cool name. Jace Worley. W-O-R-L-E-Y. You'll get an email from Take Profit Trader. And then Graham Davidson. Winner, chicken dinner as well. You need to start your own prop firm. I don't want to start my own prop firm. Trust me. I've had so many offers to start my own prop firm, but I don't want to. I love what I do. I wake up. I don't have to stress. I don't have to run a business. I just do Patrick Wieland. Mucho better. I don't want a full-time job. Running a prop firm would be a full-time job. And honestly, I make more money than most prop firm CEOs. So that would be a bad business decision. All right, we got the winners of the course giveaway here as well.
Nasdaq back above the 15-minute range here again. They're holding it up there. Dude, these fucking Democrats freaking out about fucking Elon Musk. You know what's so funny about the whole Elon Musk thing is the fact that like all the people that are freaking out about Elon Musk are the most corrupt motherfuckers. You got Elizabeth Warren, fucking Chuck Schumacher, all these fuckers that are so corrupt that you know that they just be doing all types of shit. And they're like, this is not right. Elon Musk has no right to see how the government spends its money. We have been sending money to other countries, and it is not fair that Elon Musk is allowed to see how much money we've been sending to other countries. We will not stand for it. The American people do not want this. And I'm like, wait, hold on a second. What do you mean the American people voted for fucking Trump? They voted to have the fucking Elon Musk in there, you know? Like American people were like, hey, we're tired of these fucking politicians spending all this money on stupid shit that nobody fucking needs. You know, like the whole thing about the foreign aid, and we'll do the giveaway in a second, but the whole thing about the foreign aid is very simple, right? At the end of the day, like I don't want to be an asshole, but like let's make America so fucking rich before we send money anywhere else. Right? Let's fucking like make the schools in America better. Let's take care of veterans better. Let's pay teachers more money. Let's fucking, you know, like invest in the American infrastructure before we give fucking money to Afghanistan, before we give fucking money to Ghana. You know, no offense with fucking Ghana, but like we're giving millions of dollars to these other countries and they're all fucking corrupt anyway. You talk to anybody who lives in fucking Africa, they're like, oh yeah, all that money that comes here, like it's a waste because it just fucking gets used in the corrupt politicians. Like, come on. Like, let's stop sending all the money other places and let's invest the money in America, right? Let's make our schools better. I think let's fucking double the pay of teachers. Like, everybody bitches and complains about how shitty our fucking, you know, school system is. But honestly, like, pay teachers more money, you'll have better teachers. Right? You'll have better schools. The kids will learn more. Like, let's do that. That's how let's put as much money as we can into making the best schools in the world. Let's put as much money as we can into helping fucking soldiers and veterans that come back from fucking war, have their fucking leg blown off, they have PTSD. Let's make sure they get the best fucking medical, you know, services in the entire world. Like, hey, if you're a veteran and you're injured and you come back to America, you are treated like a fucking god, right? Like everything's paid for. You get the best service, the best people. Why the fuck are we giving money to Ukraine? Let's give money to America. It's not fucking, like, I don't know why anyone's arguing with this. Like, why is anybody upset? Patrick, we got to give more money to the other places so we can help them. I'm like, why not fucking help America? Have you seen like how bad the schools are? You know, like the inner city, like, come on, like it's such bullshit. And again, I don't want to get all like into the whole BLM thing, but all that money that fucking BLM raised, you know how much, you know where that money went to? It went to fucking Biden and fucking Bernie Sanders. You know, it's like, that makes no sense to me. You raised all this money for the BLM movement and you gave the money to fucking Biden.
Profit earlier and for in again on the second bull flag and pass another 5. Now save up to pay for PA. Thanks for teaching, Patrick.
Let's go.
Bull.
Let's go. All I'm saying is, if the BLM shit was like legit, why did they not invest all that money in fucking like inner city youth, right? If you really want to fix the problem, like you got to start with the kids. You got to give kids some type of hope that like, hey, instead of doing drugs and instead of going in and joining a gang, like you can actually like go to school and like get a job, right? Like having hope is the biggest thing. And you're not going to be able to fix the people that are 30, 40 years old that are already having issues, but like we got to help the kids. And it's like, I keep saying that, but like schools, the schools are terrible. The poor teachers, like the teachers are so understaffed. The schools are understaffed. The teachers fucking don't get paid shit. Most teachers work 2 jobs. They like work as a teacher, and then they also work a summer job. They do other stuff. They fucking whatever they can to make extra money.
And people are going to complain that we need to send more money to other countries. Like, no, we need to spend more money in America. All the tax money that we pay should be going directly to America. No tax money should go anywhere else in the world. And that's a fact. Until we're so fucking rich, like until every school in America is the best fucking school in the world, then we don't send money anywhere else. You know, I mean, it's that simple. And it's like, why is anybody against this idea?
Patrick motherfucking Wieland for press.
You know?
The largest.
Fire Drill said, shut up and trade. Yeah, well, suck my dick. Get out of here. Nasdaq pushing up here once again, bull flagging off of the VWAP. Better focus on, I'm over the trades. You guys focus on the trades. I already made my money for the day. God. There you go. Where are we at? Nasdaq breaking through the previous day high. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so.
What happens if you go below the 30% negative PNL rule on Apex? I am at 54.8K on 7 PA accounts today. Maybe you can call your Apex Connect for me, lol.
I'm not very good at math, so I would tell you what to do, but I don't know what to do there. I don't know much about that. I don't know math very good, but the percentages you gotta, the percentage you gotta do yourself. Oh my God, I'm fucking hot. I'm fucking bothered in here. I'm sweating. Nasdaq still pushing. I was hoping to see if Top Step was short right now, but they're not. Damn it. It would have been funny. It would have been funny. All right, Nasdaq pushing up there, 835 now, still going. Wow, what a rip. Above the previous day high now, doing exactly like we talked about here before the market even fucking opened. People in the chat were like, Patrick, it's a short. I'm like, well, hold my beer, boys, because I think it's gonna go up. And well, there you go, up, 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 up. All right, we got the course giveaways. Get ready. We're giving away courses here. We got 10 emails. You're going to get an email from onlyprofirms.com with the login for the course. Nasdaq making new highs here, pushing up there through the highs now. Look at that move. VWAP pullback, the rip. And what I love about this too is this is like exactly like we talked about earlier. I always love, like, we talk about this shit happening and then it happens and then we're like, wait, how did that happen? But if you were here this morning before the market opened, we talked about how, let's get rid of just the VWAP for now so you can see kind of the game that they played here, right? So look what the Nasdaq did. What do you guys, I'm trying to see if you guys can figure it out. See where this candle is right here? That's like that low, that pullback and then that low. What did the Nasdaq do first before going higher? Pulls back, takes out this low, makes everyone think that we're going to start going down, and then rips up. So kind of just like Nasdaq loves to do that shit. It really does. It, like, anytime it's like in that choppy kind of like area where it's consolidating, the Nasdaq, I mean, I guess every market likes to do it, but the market loves to like dip basically below a previous low just to kind of like take out, look, you know, get those stops down there, and then all of a sudden, boom, it rips up. Does that happen a lot? It does. I think it happens a lot. If you look here at open, where do we dip to? We dipped right into this low. We took it out and then we pushed up. Right? So like this low here got taken out, then we pushed up. I do think it's a very like good confirmation. It's a very powerful confirmation that if you basically wait for that like second kind of fake out or that pullback and then that bull flag setup, that's when you get these very explosive moves. Why are we going up like that? Why did the market go up like that? Well, think about it, right? All these people
shorting. They're shorting in here. And then guess what? Now they're getting stop. They're buying, you know. That is just typical human interaction with the market. Market pushes up. All right. People are buying this breakout here. They buy the breakout. All of a sudden it dips down and they're like, fuck. Guess what? Oh no. Where does everyone put their stop at? Where does all the traders put their stop? If you're long, let's say you're long here. Like this is your long right there. Where's your stop at? Guess what? Well, most people, maybe not my chat, but most people put their stop right there. They put their stop right there. The market pulls back. It stops them out. And then it goes up. So, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I don't, maybe I have no idea what I'm talking about, but the funny part is the only reason that I really know what I'm talking about here is the fact that I've done that, right? Like so many times when I first started out trading, I would buy this breakout here, right? I would get greedy looking for a move up into here. It doesn't happen. I hold on. Oh, fuck. I hold on. Oh, God. And then I get stopped out. And then, bam, the market goes exactly where I thought it was going to go. Patrick, can you talk about the 35% consistency rule? Yeah, so just don't make more than 35% of your profit in one day. If you trade for 10 days straight, just be consistent. James said, basic construction. Can't build skyscrapers without good foundation. Well, it's a good way to look at it if you're a construction type of guy. Good way to look at it here. All right, giveaway. If you haven't signed up, well, we've already got the giveaway winners for the course, but I've got $1,000 to give away here for 2 people. If you sign up today at onlyprofitfirms.com, you'll be entered into giveaways for the future. Right now, the Nasdaq on the hourly chart, look where we're going. Pull up the LuxAlgo price action concepts. We've got that. I love, like, of all the stuff that I really like with the price action concepts is the fact that it automatically draws out all these levels. We got the previous day high on there, the previous week high, and, you know, Monday high down there. There is something to always be said about just levels in general. Number one, we had that 760 area. We talked about this as well earlier. And I say that we talked about it earlier because I want people to see, like, hey, like, we're talking about these moves before they happen. We're coming up with a plan. We're seeing the opportunity in the market. You know, it's like, hey, what is going on here? Well, we've got the close from yesterday, that dotted line, ding, 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 dotted line, right? So I know, like, hey, yesterday's close is a key level. If we keep holding it, we hold that yesterday's close, well, then we go higher. If we can't hold yesterday's close, well, then we go down. So knowing where these levels are, the dotted line as well, if you want to pull it up on TradingView, I'll give you guys a little secret for free. Little secret for free here. You go right there. On TradingView, go to your settings and go to scales and lines. And right there, previous day close. Put a line on your chart. I'm telling you, that shit is good. Put it like that. Oh, that's a big dot. I don't know. Is that better? Kind of nice. I kind of like that. What do you think? What do you think, chat? Little dot, dot, dot. Little dot, dot, dot. I like it. And then now it's like, okay, let's see if we pull back kind of to that 800 level again and see what happens from there. Remember, pay yourself when you cannot, when you have to. Remember to pay yourself when you cannot, when you have to. What does that mean? I'm confused.
I might not be a smart man, but that don't make no sense. Pay yourself. No, I don't know about that. I don't pay myself. I just make money. Man, this journal is still not updated. It's been updating pretty early, but it did not update today. I wanted to see the 19 days of green. You think I can go for 30 days? 30 days of green trading in these accounts would be pretty fucking epic. January, we're at 19 days basically right now because we're green today. We got a payout coming up. We'll have a payout pretty much like after Friday. We'll have a payout for Tradeify. I like it. But yeah, look at those stats, man. I mean, haters are gonna hate. Honestly, like, this is a very profitable fucking stat. I don't care what anyone says. The best part is, yeah, look at that. My average win loss, I'm actually like negative kind of R&R. But the key here is my winning percentage. Right? My winning percentage is what keeps me in the green. It's okay if my losers sometimes, you know, are a little bigger than my winners. What is that? Because I take profit early. Honestly, like if I just held on to my trades a little longer, then I'd probably be like, a little bit more in the green there. But again, you know, you coulda, shoulda, woulda. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here. Sitting right there at the previous day high. I saw a guy in the chat talking about getting short. We'll see if that's going to play out for him. I don't know. How's Top Step T? They're blurry right now is how they're looking. Blurry. They got to work on their cameras focusing over there. Get a better camera, you know? Like we in focus here, baby. Focus, because I want everyone to see. I got 20 grand on my wrist. I drinking the water out of a can. Oh yeah, we got to do the giveaway here for the course. There we go. Sorry. Oh God. Love you. All right. Here we go. Sorry. The winners we're announcing. We got the winners here. Here we go. You ready? Eugene Tran. Oh God, Nasdaq. Where's this guy who was short? Fuck, he's winning. The guy. Here we go. Eugene Tran, the winner of the course. We got Brian Ellis. We got Sheldon Williams. We got Jean-Paul Quinton, Daryl Bryan, Brandon Hartman, Danny Sawyer, Kieran Seaforth, Sammy Harris, and Yuan Lee Kwok. Yuan Lee Kwok. Kwok. Yuan. It's pretty epic. I don't know. His name is Yuan Lee Kwok. Wait, are you trolling me? Is this guy trolling me? I think he's trolling me. Yuan Lee Kwok. Yuan Lee Kwok. That's funny. Should we call Nutty? What's up with Nutty Bar? What are we gonna call him? Why does the chat always tell me to call Nutty Bar? What's he doing over there? Let's call him. I'm gonna be like, what are you calling me for?
Just why is the chat?
Yes, sir.
Why is the chat spamming me to call you?
Everything's fine. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about.
Do I need to look at your stream right now? Do I need to?
No, don't look.
I'm looking at it. I'm gonna look at it.
No. Let me block it. Hang on.
Oh God. Let me see what you got.
No, I got faked out. I did. I got faked out.
Well, you got some green. You got some
I was
green.
waiting for a pullback. Got the pullback. Got my entry, and then it just. I don't know if someone tweeted or something, but it just got me. It got me.
It happens. It happens. Well, at least you're green. You're green in those Tradify accounts.
Tradify accounts are green. Those are fine.
Yeah, you're getting close to a payout on those bad boys.
I know. Don't tell me. I'm starting to pucker up.
Don't pucker up,
we
baby.
got about 1,000 left to go on those for a $15.
Don't pucker up, Daddy. Come help you. You know what's crazy is every day people are just like they love Nutty Bar over here. I feel like no one likes me anymore. You want to just come run my stream for me? We had over 5,000 people watching today, and the whole time they were just like, "Where's Nutty Bar? Where's Nutty Bar?" You know, it's weird.
5,000 people watching. Hey, congratulations! Is that a new all-time record?
I've done over 6,000 at one point, but the 5,000 right now is pretty badass. Because
It's pretty awesome.
I'm in a battle between who.
Yeah.
My viewers keep going up and my P&L keeps going up. Their viewers are going down and their P&L is going down. I think I see a trend here. I think I'm in a bull flag. They're clearly in a bear flag.
I hear what you're saying. All
right. Well, what's your plan here? What are you gonna get short right here?
Well, right now we're stuck in this below the 790s now. I feel like a bounce off the VWAP has been a pretty safe play, but I'm a little bit scared of that we're just going to roll over here. I don't like these big pullbacks.
Yeah, I know.
15-minute chart looks pretty ugly too.
Yeah, I always say I don't like shorting into the VWAP. So.
Yep.
But yeah, we're holding it there right now. I think as long as we stay above that 760 level, then we're bullish. But we get below 760s, then we're in trouble.
Yep, agreed.
There you go. There you go. Well, I'll talk to you later. Stay in the green. Focus on it, Market goes up, get in. Market goes down, stay out.
That's right. We will do.
All right, later. We got so many new subscribers today. We're just popping off, breaking records. Over 5,000 people watching. We got $1,000 to give away here in a minute. Who wants to win? Can we get 2,000 likes on the stream? Is it possible today? We got 1,600 right now. You know a guy named Steven Cockchin? Damn. That'd be a rough name to have. Steven Cockchin. Steven got a cock on his chin, something like that. I just love reading people in Nutty Bar's chat who are like, "Don't let him call you. Block his number. Why do you let Patrick call you? Patrick's the worst. Nutty Bar, don't let him call you. Block his number. He's so toxic." Nutty Bar, why would you ever let Patrick Wieland call you? He's just so toxic. Oh God. All right. So again, where are we at? We're pretty much in the back. We're back to that 15-minute range again. Nasty looking chart. ES is making new lows. We got a disconnect here. The ES and the Nasdaq kind of disconnected right now. That would lead me to believe that, the Dow also dippity. So like I said, kind of that 760 area. If we lose it, kind of watching on the Nasdaq here. Yeah, what's today? Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow. And there we go. Poetic R said he's winning today. He's speaking it into existence. Let's go. kind of losing a little bit of the VWAP right now. We're right there at the VWAP. Are we getting another fake out? Let's see. Then a little dip and then the rip, maybe. I don't know. I saw somebody in Nutty Bar's chat said, "Bro, go long. Trust me." It's like, well, I mean, if you said trust me, then I must have to trust you. I must. There's just no way denying you. Whenever someone calls you and says, "Bro, trust me," you're like, well, now that you've said to trust you, I just feel like I have to. Oh. So we sent out 10. We sent out 10 courses today for 10 winners on the stream that entered their email in earlier. And then we gave away 2 take profit accounts. And then right now we got the big payouts to go. We got $500 for 2 people. You have to have a fucking PayPal address. Don't fucking win it and then be like, "Patrick, can you send me Bitcoin? Patrick, can you send me Ethereum? Patrick, do you mind sending me some, some of this?" I'm like, no, it's PayPal or nothing. All right. Fucking don't enter if you don't have PayPal. Seriously. The people, like, I love how people win money and then they're like, so I see that you're giving away $500, but I was just wondering, is there any way that you could transfer the $500 into XRP and then transfer the XRP to me? And I'm like, no, I'm not fucking, what? I'm not sending no crypto, nobody. It's $500 cash. $500 nothing. All right. I just posted on Twitter. A video. Go leave it a comment. Go leave a comment on it. And there's a video on my Twitter. I'll put a link here. If you don't have Twitter, well, fuck. I don't know what to tell you. We'll do one Twitter giveaway. We'll do one other giveaway somehow. Holy shit. Nutty Bar could have bought there off the VWAP, I guess. Link in the chat. VWAP again supporting the market here. The Dow's still pushing down though. I'm kind of confused. They be liking that VWAP. Back above the 800s for now, just kind of chopping around this level. What was it? Almost 1050, 1034 here. 1050, 11 o'clock. Normally get some better moves around that hourly candle close. ES is like trying to push back up here off the low again, kind of trapping below the low just to push back up. Kind of watching here on the Nasdaq. We're still kind of holding up there the VWAP for now. These 15-minute candles are just not very pretty. We need to kind of like almost like just like yesterday, really. You guys remember yesterday when the market was just like chopping for that first 2 hours right around the VWAP, those 15-minute candles kind of just up and down. And then we finally had that big breakout later on after 11. So maybe a repeat today. We're holding up here above the 760s for now, which is obviously bullish. So we'll have to just see if we can get something bigger and better. I hate trading in these ranges. It's just a great way to get chopped up, basically. Like trying to trade in here, like maybe it pushes again to the 830s, but maybe ain't a trading strategy. You know what I mean? Maybe ain't no trading strategy, basically. Hoping and praying. Some other day was like, said something about like, oh, Patrick, I hope you don't blow up. And I'm like, motherfucker, this ain't no hoping and praying. I'm not over here like hoping. Like, I hope I make some money today, everybody. Hey, everybody, I hope I make money. Like, no. Like, I'm fucking let me do it. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's a water. I gotta go to the bathroom. Just shocked myself. I shocked myself. Well, Nasdaq went up when I went to the bathroom. Did it know? Did the Nasdaq know that I went to the bathroom? I think it did. How did it know? We'll never know. How did it know? We'll just never know.
You first feel it in the middle of the night, like a wave inside you.
Say what you want, Frisky, but all I know is his course definitely helped me in watching every day.
No other time. Your whole sense of being shifts.
Frisky851. Please keep the following in mind. Verify before trusting. Always cross-check any performance data or claims with reliable, independent sources. I can't. I literally just can't. Like, I can't. It has come to our attention that this person appears to be manipulating his displayed results using front-end scripts. What does that even fucking mean? Like, what the fuck? What? Literally, what does that even mean? Like I said before, the conspiracy theories are amazing. Like, I am actually like, it's amazing how many people are obsessed with trying to figure out how I do it instead of just watching. You know what I mean? Like, instead of just like literally seeing it happen every day live on YouTube, they have to fucking do everything they can to try to like figure out, how does he do it? It's clearly a scale. Oh my God. Look at that chop right back to the 790s again. Good Lord. Hi, everybody. I use the script. Here's my stats. It's all photoshopped. Everything's one big Photoshop. Nasdaq is dumping right here. Someone must be talking. Top Step's about to get stopped out of their long. They're long from the 832s. How do they get long at 832? Holy shit. They're literally long from 21,000 832s. Like, how can I literally, I don't even own this fucking website. How can I change the fucking website? Like, what does that even mean? Hey everybody, Patrick it's come to our attention that Patrick is changing the website. Literally, like, I'm refreshing it. I'm showing you like every fucking thing. What do you want from me? Oh my God, how does he do it? It's not real. It's all here. It is all here. You can easily do anything on a web page using your browser, but you can't though. You can't. Oh wait, let's say this. Let me show you how to do that, right? I'll show you how to fucking do it, right? Let's say I want to change the amount of money is in that, right? Where's the thing? No, I can't even fucking figure it out in this one. But it's like if you refresh the page, any type of changes that you make go away, dumbass. It goes away, dumbass. If you refresh, it goes away. You can't make a change to a website if you don't fucking own the website. God. Click the date range at the top and your journal will update for today. It should be there, no? Still not updating for, oh, that was for yesterday. Thursday. It won't work. Oh my God, he changed that. Oh my God, did you see that? Oh my God, look. It all says 0 now. Whoa. Oh fuck. How's anyone gonna, oh no. Oh fuck. Oh my God. It's all, the scam is out. Oh my God. It's all, oh my God, how did he do that? The scam. It's literally all my trade journal. It's all here. It is literally all here. Oh my God. Not to mention the prop firm can do the same for you, considering he is just sponsoring you. Come on, guys. Like, come on. You know, like, come on. Yes, the prop firm is making it so everyone thinks that I'm profitable. That's exactly what they're doing. Everyone has figured it out. I'm an idiot and I have no idea what I'm doing. And I did not trade today. It's all good. I'm totally fine with it. It don't hurt me. You know, I don't know what to say. The $600,000 payout that I got last year wasn't real either. None of it's real. It's all, everything's fake. It's all a big conspiracy, man. You know what's even funnier? You know Top Step paid me out last year, right? You guys, I got paid out over $100,000 with Top Step. Do you think that Top Step, again, I'm not an affiliate, I have no partnership with Top Step. Do you think that Top Step would pay me out just because they want, you know what I mean? Like that right there, it's like, why would Top Step pay me and I'm not even an affiliate of theirs? All I do is talk shit about them. And then you think they're gonna pay me? Come on. It's all good. It's all good. Like I said, if they ain't hating, then you ain't doing it right. It just sucks that every day I gotta fucking deal with this shit. Every day it's like some new post about how Patrick Wieland is editing his P&L and that's the only way that he makes money. And there's always something, like every fucking day it's some new conspiracy. Just new conspiracy every day. Patrick Wieland. All right, we got the giveaway here. We're giving away $1,000. Giving away $1,000 here. Who wants to win? Who wants to win? Man, look at the Dow right now, by the way. The Dow is really having trouble. I think real quick. This Nasdaq is looking very weak here. Maybe get down there to the 720s there. Not sure I would take the short, but if we lose that 760 level, could kind of put in a lower low into this area here. Freaking, you know what's crazy is when the train goes by, how it literally rocks the building. Fucking trains, man. Twitter giveaway picker.
funny part is like people would rather basically say that I'm a scam instead of just literally being like, damn, Patrick's been trading for 8 years on YouTube, right? Like he's been trading for 8 years on YouTube. Like there's no way that possibly maybe, you know, that he would have somehow like figured it out, you know? All right, so the first winner of the Twitter giveaway here, Kelson Robin. Congratulations, the Scoop TV. Love it. $500. I'll send you a DM, my friend. Hopefully you got PayPal. You know, like, just there's no way that Patrick, you know, would possibly, after 8 years of trading, there'd be no way that he could possibly have maybe become, you know, decent at trading. There's just no way. It'd be impossible, right? Like, there's just no way. Go to my YouTube. 8 years ago, I posted my first ever video. First ever video, fucking 8 years ago, boys and girls. Look at this. Sexy ass man. I made this is what I've got. I made $1,000 in a day. Thought I was really doing something. Look at me. I was there.
Big news, big movers, and that's what it's all about. So hopefully you guys made some money today.
Oh no.
To recap,
I was there.
End of the day, kind of recap, kind of talking about what.
You know, this is what the haters don't want to acknowledge. They don't want to acknowledge this. They don't want to acknowledge that we're winning.
And taking profit.
8 years. Look at that.
Runners run today.
43 likes on the video.
It really, who knows? FMBC.
Whatever. But I was literally going live on YouTube. 7 years. Look at this. 7 years ago, streaming on YouTube. But clearly, there's no way that I could have ever figured out how to make money. No, there's no way. I mean, imagine if I mean, to be honest, like if I was still trading like after 7 years and I couldn't make money, like I would just,
I don't know why it's so hard. Why is it so hard?
I don't know, just go get a new job somewhere else or just kill myself at that point. Like, fuck, it would be very like demoralizing, you know? Be very fucking demoralizing. Be very demoralizing. All right, Twitter, the next giveaway here.
2040 area, holding that blue VWAP there. Get up to that $21 on the nice move there.
Lady D. Lady D coming in with the big D for the win. Congratulations to Lady D. $500. I'll send it over to you now. There's the Nasdaq move through the 760s now. Will we get down here into that kind of like 720? Got this little bit of a like channel thing, little wedge kind of thingy-majiggy there.
It's gonna happen, guys. We're going live. We're gonna fucking do it.
We kind of look, they got this wedge right here.
No recap.
Puts us back to the 644 area. Are you thinking about stopping the live stream at any point? At some point. I'm just gonna get over it at some point. It just sucks. Maybe I don't know. I mean, I'll just fucking turn the chat off and never look at it. But I like to it's fun to like, you know, talk to the chat. Honestly, like it's just like makes it fun. I don't want to like not look at the chat. Do you make more from YouTube or trading? I think I've already said, as an affiliate YouTuber, I make millions of dollars. Last year, I made $800,000 trading. So I'm not good at math, but I think I make more from everything else. But that's the problem. Even if I was the best trader in the world and I made $1 million a year trading, I would still make 10x that doing what I do right now. So like, crucify me, hate me, love me, whatever you want, but it's the truth. I can literally make $20,000, $30,000 a day, every day, and not even have to trade. And that's just the business I built, right? Like I built a business that I'm making a lot of money. Is it a disservice? Am I a liar? Should I go to jail because I make money doing a live stream? I don't know. Doesn't seem like it. Also, the live stream's free, by the way. Like that keyboard, it's pretty cool, right? I actually gotta like figure out how to like dial it in more. It's totally clear. I gotta like figure out. I think you can like put your name and stuff up top on that little like bar across. I gotta like figure out how to do that. This is the best live to watch and trade. I've watched them all, and this is the only one that the trade's consistent and follows the same strategy every day. Hey, thanks, man. All right, well, it's 10:50. I don't know. I kind of like being green, walking away, to be honest. Like, kind of like it. It's kind of nice, kind of nice to like just walk away green sometimes. Well, I guess right now, walk away green all the time. You know what I mean? Like, hey. My journal is still not updated. If only I could just like, just put whatever number I want there, because then I would just make it look like I made $1 million. If only I could just edit the journal to make it look like I'm a millionaire. If only. If only I could. It would be so much better. I'd be able to sell so many more courses. I'd make so much more money. The funny part is too, I feel like I don't even really like promote my course. Like there's a lot of YouTubers out there that won't even like talk about what their strategy is. They just like tell you to buy their course. If you bought the course, the digital book is inside the course. But yeah, I mean, I could have a Discord, I could fucking charge people $500 a month to watch me on YouTube, instead of like doing it for free. But, like I could do that. I could be like other people out there and have a fucking Discord and charge everybody to like hang out with me. I could do that, but I don't. So, whatever. All right, we sent $500 to Kelsick, $500. Lady D, I need your PayPal. That one that you sent in the chat's not the right one. So there's $500 to one of my YouTube subscriber watchers. Again, it's free to subscribe, free to like, free to watch, and we gave away $500 to one lucky person. I wish I could give everybody $500. Oh, Top Step is now short at 21,741. Hell yeah, baby. Let's go. Time to go long. Time to go long. Where'd they get short at?
How did they get short? They got short down here at the 40, like literally at the low here. What the fuck? Is there anybody in the chat? No real person would get $500 from him. Hey, is there anybody in the chat that's ever got $500 from me? What are you talking about? Who is this person? Like, who is this person? He thinks what? Now I'm not even showing. This is fake. Everybody, this is a fake. It's not real. I apologize. Kelsic is not a real person. It's not real. I can't. Oh God. How did Top Step get short at 741? I don't even know how you could do that. Scott Mitchell got $1,000. Damn. Damn, dog. Kelsic is a name that you made and programmed the site for the winner. I gave Scott Mitchell $1,000 during Christmas, but whatever. He's fake too. Scott's actually me. Honestly, like, I don't even know how could they have gotten short down here at 741, guys? Where do they even get short at? How'd they even get filled? The low of that candle is 740. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Is this real life? Are we watching real life? I'm so confused right now. How the fuck? Like, that's like the best fucking.
I know this one's coming out this weekend.
How? Literally, I'm watching it right now.
Tools to help traders keep the money in their.
They're short at 21,741.
Being sure we're playing defense a lot, right? We're trying to lock in our profits. Trying to.
Dude, the funniest is Andre on Top Step TV. That guy has no fucking clue what he's talking about. Like, of all the people on Top Step TV, to be honest, like, Andre might be the biggest fucking retard.
You did it, Boris. Look at that.
Like,
Hey.
it's amazing. I don't even understand how these guys. How?
Good luck.
How is it possible?
In his mouth. I don't know.
How is it possible? Andre literally had. The best part is he's wearing a. If you look on his hat, he's wearing a payout hat, right? A $4,000, $5,000 payout hat. Andre's never gotten a payout his entire life. He doesn't even trade. He can't trade to save his life. I could literally. You know what? I'll make a bet that I could close my eyes. I could literally fucking close my eyes and trade better than Andre. Like, I could just close my eyes and just press a button and I would still make more money than Andre can. That's how bad like, I could literally just be like, okay, bye. Okay, sell. And I would make more money. Like, it would be crazy. It would be absolutely crazy. I could just close my eyes. I close my eyes. Casey Strickland, did you send? No, I sent you a message on Twitter. Casey, check your Twitter. Lady D, check your Twitter account. I sent you a DM there because I don't know what email you sent it to. I want proof. I need proof. I need proof that I sent the money. There we go. I think it's gonna work now. Crawfordville, Florida. Where the fuck is Crawfordville? I've never been to Crawfordville. Casey, I just want to confirm you are a real person. You're not a fake person, right? Can you confirm in the chat? I just want you to confirm in your chat that you're not a paid employee of Patrick Wieland. You're not my fake account. All that fun stuff. Just want to make sure so everybody in the chat knows that I just sent $1,000 to Casey Strickland. Let's go.
Are you even real? I think you're AI.
Whoa. Don't let anybody know I'm an AI. There we go. Casey, please confirm in the chat. Please confirm. I want to get confirmation that it's, you know, sometimes I think maybe I'm not even, maybe I'm dreaming right now. You know, maybe I'm dreaming. Maybe I'm dreaming. All right. But Patrick. Top Step is still short at 741. Fuck yeah. I told you we should have fucking got long. I told you. Kelsick the trader got $500 as well. So we gave out $1,500 today live on YouTube. I don't know any other channel out there that's doing that for their people that watch for free on YouTube. We gave away 10 courses. We gave away 2 take profit accounts. We gave away $1,500 in cash money. So there we go. Are they still short? No fucking way. They're still short. They are still short. Oh my God. Look at this fucking screen right now. Look at this entry. You're going to have your mind blown, people.
All right, MP. I know you're tight on time. Thanks.
Look at this thing. He is short. Guys, he is short at the bottom of that fucking candle.
Also, like I say, when you shave like that, you look way younger. You look much younger.
Yeah, I know. Casey likes it longer, but then I'm like, I look horrible in the picture.
Andre really wants to fuck MP. I think he does. I think they might. They be pegging each other for sure. Andre like, MP, you look so much better with when you shave. I guarantee it. MP and Andre, when they're together, there's definitely some weird shit, fucking Brokeback Mountain type shit going on, you know? Up on the mountain, you know? They be living in the mountains, so they'll be doing some shit out for sure. Dude, this guy, his stop on his short right now is literally, I just can't. It's just like I said yesterday, it's literally like watching a monkey try to fuck a fucking square hole with a circle, or a monkey trying to fuck a circle with a square hole, or a square. It's a monkey trying to fuck something with a square, you know? God. That, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm literally impressed. I am impressed at how somebody could have literally shorted at the exact fucking bottom down here. You know, like I'm impressed. It's got to be the fucking best short in the entire day. You know, like, I mean, I'm not trying to be an asshole, but I mean, that's a fucking pretty good entry to get long. You think about it. He could have gotten long down there and been up big. You know? But whatever. Whatever. Amazing. All right, so there it is. Nasdaq pushed back up. They're sitting in a trade right now, down like 30, 40 points, back up to the VWAP there. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Why don't you use Bookmap anymore? Long story. I'll keep it short. I got to go. I got to go before this reverses and goes lower. Do you have a real account at Optimus Futures or no? I don't have a real account with Optimus Futures.
Patrick, today is my son's 8th birthday. He wants you to shout him out. Happy birthday, Jalen.
All right. You ready? You ready, Jalen? Jalen, are you ready? Get my head in here. No, this one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jalen. Happy birthday to you. Hey, I remember when I was 8 years old. I'll give you one piece of advice, my friend. Just keep winning. You know, hey, every day, wake up, put your boots on, get to work. You know, it's never too early. And also, hey, here's another piece of advice. Listen to your mother. You know, I don't know exactly what your situation is, but At the end of the day, listen to your mother, be a good boy, take the trash out, help around the house, be a man, treat your mom with respect, treat your family with respect, and life gets so much easier when you just have respect for other people, and especially your family. You remember, when you're born, you don't get to pick your family, but you just got to live with them, and that's all you got. So if for somebody who no longer has a mother, I might get teary-eyed here, but I do wish that I just had one more chance to tell my mom how much I appreciate everything she did when I was a kid to get where I'm at today. So I do thank her, and hopefully she's looking down in heaven,
Patty McDaddy,
thinking about it.
Love wall.
So big thank you guys for tuning in today. It's been fun. We gave away some money. We gave a little birthday shout out to Jalen there, and I'm looking forward, man. I'm looking forward to Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow. We got some big dogs coming in next week. We got a CEO of a prop firm coming here next week who's I'm not going to name the prop firm, but we got another CEO. I think everybody wants to come to the BDH. I don't know what it is, but it is just something about it. It's a cool fucking place. If I was somebody, I'd want to be in the BDH, So there it is. Big thank you guys for watching, tuning in. If you're still here, you are the you are the MVPs. That, or you're red and you're just hoping that I might tell you to take a trade and you're gonna make money. Either way, you might be degenerate either. So we love Nana. I love Nana. Everybody loves Nana. I gotta bring Nana to the BDH. I might need to do that. I'm gonna send Ginger up to Orlando to pick up Nana and bring her down for a BDH stream. I don't know what she would do. She'd be like, what in the world is going on in this place? BDH, Nana, BDH. Let me call her and see if she answers. We'll talk. Let me see. I'm gonna call Nana and see what she's doing. Nana, man, what you doing? See if she wants to come to the BDH. The baby doll house. I still don't know why she called me baby doll that day. I still don't know why. All right. No, she's not gonna answer. She's shy. She's out partying right now. What is it, 11 o'clock? She's getting drinks at the VFW. 82 years old, still partying, baby. I told her, I was like,
has been forwarded to voicemail.
Didn't work. Denied. No, I'm telling you, she's probably partying right now. 11 o'clock, that's like prime time for old people to go partying. Old people, they don't go to the bar at like fucking 10 o'clock at night. They be going like at 11 right when it opens. Get a beer, fucking have a nice little, little whatever sandwich they're whatever fucking soup or whatever they do when they're, I don't know what old people do, but that's what they be doing. They go to the bar. No, honestly, there's a VFW right by her house and all the old boys in there. They be like, Nana's 80 years old and she still got them boys coming after her. It's crazy. I'm like, you need a security guard. You need a security guard. You got too many boys. Too many fans. Well, the Nasdaq's still trying to push. Top Step is still short from the 741s, and just watching their stop wanting to get taken out. They're not showing it now. Classic. But on fire over there. Congrats. I think their stop is like up into here somewhere. So yeah, no. The best is like they're just sitting there just watching this go higher. It's just going. That just shows you how fucking bad they are at trading. Because if I enter a trade and all of a sudden it goes exactly the opposite direction that I think it's going to go, like I'm not going to just sit there and watch it just go to my stop. I'm going to either like get out or try to do something to manage that risk, that trade. I'm not just going to fucking sit there and be like, oh, my stop is my stop. Oh, it's going to my stop. Oh, look, it's going up. Oh, what do I do? I'm short. Oh my God. What should I do? Oh my, it's my stop is about to get. That's not how you trade. Don't do it like that, my friends. If you want to make money, don't fucking sit there and hope and pray. No hoping and no praying. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash. Fresh Cash. Right.